Hello everyone, welcome to Off Campus. Today we are going to see some important problems in control system. Let's come into the problem. What is the open loop DC gain of a unity feedback control system having closed loop transfer function as s plus 4 divided by s squared plus 7s plus 13? Options are given. Let's solve the problem. What is given? The closed loop transfer function is given. We have to find out the open loop DC gain. Let's see how to solve this. We have to find out closed loop open loop transfer function from this closed loop transfer function. We know that formula open loop transfer. How to find the open loop transfer function from closed loop transfer function? We know that. I am telling you again. Is open loop transfer function is equal to numerator term divided by denominator term minus numerator term. Here s plus 4 divided by s square plus 7s plus 13 minus of s plus 4. Minus of s plus 4. S plus 4 divided by s square 7s minus 6 minus s will give 6x. 13 minus 4 will give 9. This is the open loop transfer function. Then what is asked in that question? To find out open loop DC gain. How to find out open loop DC gain? Open loop DC gain means open loop DC gain. When we will get open loop DC gain, the AC should be 0. That is S is equal to 0. Substitute S equal to 0 from this equation to this equation. What will get? 0 plus 4 divided by 0 plus 0 plus 9. We will get 4 by 9. This is the open loop DC gain. Option D is the correct answer for this question. Let's quickly recall this question again. Given closed loop transfer function, we will find out open loop transfer function. From this closed loop transfer function, just subtract the numerator term from the denominator term. What we'll get? We will get one transfer function. We have to find out the closed open loop DC gain. Just substitute S is equal to 0 in that equation. We will get 4 by 9. That is the open loop DC gain. Let's move on to the other problem. A linear time invariant system initially at rest when subjected to a unit step input gave response C of t is equal to t e power minus t where t greater than or equal to 0. The transfer function of the system is. Options are given. Let's solve the problem. Let's see how to solve the problem. Solution. Given C of t is equal to t e power minus t. Where unit step input is given as the input. Input is R of t is equal to U of t, unit step input. We have to find out the transfer function. Transfer function is C of s divided by R of s. Capital R of s. Laplace transform of C of t equal to C of s. Laplace transform of t e power minus t will give 1 by s plus 1 the whole square. Next, Laplace transform of R of t, R of s. Laplace transform of unit step input U of t is equal to 1 by s. We have to find out the transfer function C of s divided by R of s. C of s is equal to 1 by s plus 1 the whole square. divided by 1 by s. What we will get? Transfer function is equal to s divided by s plus 1 the whole square. Option D is the correct answer for this. Please subscribe our channel Off Campus and support us. If you really like this, please subscribe, comment. Thank you so much.